Hello, my name is Neja and welcome to week 2 of our teacher training course. In week 2, we will work more on images and videos in education and we will explore different tools that can be useful. We will discuss about the use of images in education. You will be expected to create one activity and to share one activity from your classroom. But before we start with our work with images, there is one question that we should consider, and the question is, what can we use from the internet for our educational purposes? Not everything, of course, but I have prepared in resources this little book on images and videos, and in chapter 2, there is a very interesting text about copyright, fair use and Creative Commons. It is a blog on the EduBlogger. So here you will find answers to practically every question that you should know, or every question you should consider when using images from the internet. Creative Commons are also very interesting video, and I suppose they also talk about public domain, so it is a text worth reading. We will go one step back. Right, once we finish exploring the copyright, we will go on to images and using images in education. Your first task is to write a short summary of your experience and ideas how to use images in education. Again, after sharing your experience, you can go to our little book. And in this first chapter, again, you have some interesting blogs about why is teaching with images so effective, and how English language teachers can use pictures in class. And this is from the British Council site, so please read it and get some ideas from there. Then you will be expected to share your favorite activity, this time with new images. Again, go to little book on images and videos, and in chapter 4 you have explained Flickr Creative Commons license and how to find Creative Commons pictures, then Pixabay, also where all the pictures or images are free, or they are public domain, so you don't have to are Creative Commons. You will find out about the difference once you read the first paragraph. And finally, you will be expected to make your own video. So I wish you good luck with this week, and I hope you will find a lot of interesting and useful ideas. Thank you.